You know how your bank account isn't really yours? Like, technically the money has your name on it, but the bank can freeze it, delay it, deny access, or just disappear for a weekend/holiday. Crypto was supposed to fix that. But here's the twist. Most people using crypto still don't actually control what they own. When you hold crypto, you get a private key, basically a super secret password that proves it's yours. If you hold that key, you own the asset. If you don't, you're just trusting someone else to hold it for you. That's not self-custody. Self-custody means you are your own bank. No one can lock your funds. No one can stop a transaction. No one needs to approve anything. It's financial freedom, but it comes with responsibility. Because if you lose your key, that's on you. That's where Verified X comes in. With Verified X, self-custody isn't just a feature, it's the foundation. Your private key never leaves your device. Only the digital equivalent of your signature is sent. It's like signing a document at home and mailing it in, not handing over your ID. That signature proves you approve the transaction, but nothing private ever leaves your hands. It's your key, your wallet, your rules. Start at verifiedx.io.